Hey, it's Annmarie from Organize Me of New York. Goal setting is always a big topic in January, but people often confuse goals with resolutions. I want to be more organized is a nice thought, but it's not an actual goal. It's too vague, not to mention subjective. This same statement will mean very different things to different people. You have to get super clear about what it is you wish to change or improve. Does being more organized mean getting better at time management because your consistent lateness is impacting your career or causing a rift with your friends and family? Does it mean decluttering your home so you can feel happy and confident having guests over instead of embarrassed at the way you're living or exhausted at the thought of clearing the space before they come? Does it mean purging through your clothing and eliminating what you no longer wear so you have more space in the closet for the stuff you do wear? Does it mean developing a system for managing your paperwork so you're not drowning in paper clutter and can pay your bills on time and avoid late fees and maybe even raise your credit score? The first step in reaching your goals actually happens before you even set them. Take some time to really reflect on where you are versus where you want to be and be as detailed as possible. Then you can establish goals that will move you forward. Don't skip this necessary first step. Intentionally block out time to do this self-awareness work. In fact, this is a perfect journaling exercise for those of you who either already journal or those of you who want to start. And if you need some support and guidance around this, call or DM us. This is exactly the type of work Marie and I are doing with our virtual coaching clients. Developing self-awareness and clarity, goal setting, action plans, planning for obstacles, accountability, and always with compassion and respect. We believe you have everything it takes to reach your goals, and it's our mission, our goal, to make sure that you have all the tools to do just that.